Welcome to another KS Racing video. Today we've got our KS Racing basic management system here. We use this system for the rear airbags, air cups, and yeah, pretty much it. So this is just the basic kit, and we'll quickly go through how to use it and how to set up the one memory control that this system has. So it's a manually control a system. On the remote, you've got the left side, you've got up and down. So up, down, down. And then to set the memory control, adjust the bags to the height that you want it to be. So for example, we want it at this height. We then hold the M for about 10 seconds, just lightly hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you release that and then completely air out. Air out the bags, air it out so it resets. So then when you click the memory, it goes to that. It calibrates and it goes to that memory that you set before. And then on the remote itself, you also got the fully air out button. That is the bottom right hand one. So you click that and that just airs it out. So that's pretty much it for the remote. So you've got the independent controls on the left. You've got the memory on the top right, and then you've got the fully air out on the bottom right. And then just going through the management system itself, you've got the air tank. The ECU is inside the air tank as well. On this side, you've got the pressure release valve, and then you've got the pressure sensor there. Then you get to the pump. It's a single pump system. And then from the single pump system, it goes into a water separator. And then on the water separator on the bottom, there's like a little pin. You can click on the pin. That drains any water that is caught from the pump before it goes into the air tank. If the car is a daily car, we suggest draining the water separator once a week. If it's like just a weekend, or then maybe you could do it once a month. It really depends how much you drive it. And then that's pretty much it for the brief explanation of our basic management system. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a message on our social media accounts, or even email us, and then one of the boys or girls, they'll get back to us as soon as they can. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys soon.